Hello there and welcome to Knock Survives. I'm back with another video looking at all the scare attractions in the UK. In today's video I'm going to be looking at everything in the north of England. This is a long one, so bear with me. We'll get through this together. But if you want to see what's happening elsewhere around the country, I've got 3 other videos out at the minute. One for the east of England, one for London and the south of England, and one for the Midlands. And soon to come will be one for Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. Before we go into it, just going to ask that you hit that like button. It helps push my videos out to other people that like this sort of content. And if you want to watch more of this sort of content, I've got lots of scare events coming up throughout October, so please subscribe and hit that bell button as well. It'll let you know every time I upload a new video. Right, that's that bit done. Let's go straight into it and take a look at what is going on in the north of England. First up, we have Scare Kingdom Scream Park. This is in Blackburn, and the dates for this are 3rd and 4th of October, 10th and 11th, 17th, 18th, 24th, 25th, and then 29th, 30th, 31st. And for the only one I've found running this late, it also runs on the 7th and 8th of November. Tickets cost £40, and scare mazes include High Hopes Hospital, Manor Mortis, Gothica, Interrogation, Pickled Corpse Pub, Body Snatchers, and Carney Hell. Next is Scare City Experience. This unique attraction is set in the old Camelot theme park in Chorley. Tickets are £29.50 and it runs 3rd and 4th of October, 10th to the 12th of October, 17th to the 19th of October, 24th to the 26th of October, and then from the 30th, 31st, 1st and 2nd of November. There is also a preview day on the 27th of September. Throughout this extra long walkthrough, you'll find different zones. These are Contained, The Hollow, Settlement, Puppet Master, Infirmary, Satan's Saw, Castleham, Abyss 2.0, Carnivali, and the Slaughterhouse. Moving on to Psychopath. This is in Newcastle upon Tyne and costs between £33 to £38. Dates for this are 27th of September, 3rd and 4th of October, 10th and 11th of October, 17th and 18th of October, 24th, 25th and 26th of October, and then 31st of October and 1st of November. Mazes to expect are Crawl Space, Doll's House, The Hunt and Psychovision, and it also has an end of the night show. Now we come to Pleasure Beach Resort in Blackpool. This is the Journey to Hell event. Prices for this are from £39.50 on top of your entry ticket to the park. Attractions within this event include Down the Rabbit Hole, Carnival of Curiosities, the Ghost Train, Vault of Shadows, Twisted Tunnels, and the new Abyss to Hell. And you also get to experience rides after dark. Dates are 23rd to the 25th of October, 27th of October to the 31st of October, and then 1st of November. And if this isn't enough for you, there is the Passage del Terror, a horror experience that's open all year long, that's right next to the park. But if you want a little something more for your Halloween experience, then this is an excellent place to go. Next we have Farmagedon. This is in Lancashire. Tickets for this are between £29.50 and £34. And dates start on the 27th of September, then the 4th of October, 10th to the 12th of October, 16th to the 19th of October, 23rd to the 26th of October, and then 28th to the 31st of October, and then 1st of November. Mazes you'll find are the Facility, the Meat Locker, the Beast of Terror, Contagion, and Maze of Death. Moving on from that, we have Doncaster Fear Factory. Of course, this is in Doncaster, and it's one I've already booked in, so look out for a vlog coming for that. But if you want to go yourself, tickets range £25 to £30. There's also a fireworks night on the 31st, which is £35, and on the press night on the 5th is £40. Dates we're looking at are the 5th of October for the press night, and then we have 10th, 11th and 12th, 17th to the 18th of October, 23rd to the 26th of October, and then 31st of October for the fireworks night, and the 1st of November. Scare attractions you're going to find there: Fairgate Foundry, Cackle Hill, Diabolus Visum Mortis, Crimson Harvest, which is a scare zone. Also, new for 2025, you have Uncle Donk's Scare Zone, and also the new mazes for this year, Shelton Motel and Quinnell's & Co. Next up is Hallowscream. This is at the York Maze. Tickets cost between £26 and £38, and the dates run on the 10th and 11th of October, the 15th to the 19th of October, 21st to the 26th of October, and then from the 28th of October through to the 1st of November. This event runs many days during the midweek, and are a lot cheaper than the weekends. So if you're available midweek, it might be worth you looking at doing it on those days. For the mazes, you'll find Redneck's Revenge, Corneval, The Flesh Pot, Singularity, and Necropolis. Next up is Scream Factory. You'll find this in Redcar, and tickets for this range from £25 to £30. This runs on the 3rd and 4th of October, 10th and 11th of October, 17th to the 19th, 24th to the 26th, and then 28th to the 31st of October. This is a continuous walk, but going through separate mazes as you go, and they also run an isolation ticket if you want to do this on your own. But take it from me, going through mazes on your own is only for the bravest. Next up is Yorkshire Scaregrounds Scream Park. The prices are between £28 to £30, and dates 10th to the 12th of October, 17th to the 19th of October, and then 23rd all the way through to the 2nd of November. Mazes are Die Glock 2, Les Morts Vivants, Infernal Inn, Old Mercy, and for the scare zones are Freak Show, Cult of the Farm, and Containment.
Next is Spooky World.
Prices range between £28 and £38, and the dates are the 4th and the 5th of October, 10th to the 12th, 16th to the 18th, and then 20th and 21st of October, 23rd to the 26th of October, 28th, 29th, and then 31st of October, 1st of November, and 2nd of November. Take a close look at these dates if you plan on going, because they're a bit varied at what days in the week they are. And keep a lookout for that Monday, 20th of October. There aren't many events that run on a Monday, so if you're looking for a Monday night, this could be the one for you. Attractions you'll find are Dead Man's Creek, The Institute, Evil Carnival, Field of Screams, The Haunted Hayride, Slaughterhouse, and The Haunted House. Next is Newsham Scream Park in Liverpool. Prices are £33.25 for every day, and the dates are running 3rd and 4th of October, 10th and 11th, 17th to the 19th, 23rd to the 26th, and then 29th to the 31st of October. This event is set in an old Victorian hospital and has various scare mazes, which in your time slot you can do as many times as you want. Next up is Farm of Terror. This is a multi-park where you do a continuous walkthrough for around 30 to 40 minutes, and prices are £23, and it only runs for 6 days on the 24th, 25th and 26th of October, 31st of October, and then the 1st and 2nd of November. Next is Scarecaster. This is set in Muncaster Castle in Cumbria. Prices are £29.50, but it only runs for 3 days on the 30th, 31st of October and 1st of November. Moving on is Goostrey Graveyard Scare Park. This is in Greenwich, Cheshire. Prices for this are between £25 and £30, and the dates run between the 9th of October to the 31st of October, except Mondays and Tuesdays. They do over 18s days on the 12th, 19th and 25th of October, and then there's a special Halloween party on the 31st of October. The mazes here are Shadowbound, Restless Water, The Forgotten Fort, Toy Box of Terrors, and The Hunt, Forest of the Forsaken. Now we come to Screams at Thornton Hall Country Park in Skipton. Entry into the arena is completely free, but for those who are going there for the event and the scare attractions, it will cost you from £18 to £23, depending on how quickly you book it. Dates are the 10th and 11th of October, 17th and 18th, 24th and 25th, and 31st and 1st of November. Attractions in the event are Jinxed, Malkin Manor, Black Market Killstream, and Horrow in the Hollowmere Trick or Treat. Moving on to Leeds Scare Trails, Frightmare Trail. Frightmare Trail is their adult event, and it's one night only, so get in there when you can. It's on the 25th of October, and the price for this is just £12 for adults. This is a 40-minute walkthrough. I haven't seen anything about this event, but I wouldn't expect too much for the price. But for £12, you can't go too far wrong, can you? Next, we have Horror Car Wash. Quite a unique event. It's a car wash with live scare actors. Tickets are per vehicle, so squeeze as many people in as you can and get your money's worth. That's for £23, and the dates for this are the 17th to the 19th of October, and then the 23rd all the way through to the 31st. This is set in Sunderland, and if you want your car washed and get some scares at the same time, it's a great place for you. Next we come to Scream Time, and this is one I've already looked at in a previous video because it holds 3 separate events across the UK. The one I've already looked at is Elveston Castle. First they have Margam Castle and Wentworth Woodhouse. The Margam Castle event runs from the 15th of October to the 2nd of November, and the Wentworth event runs from the 20th of October to the 2nd of November. Prices range between £23 to £28, but I advise to check on their website to see which event you're going to and all the information you need. Next on the list, another unique event and a brand new one as well. This is Horror Hill. Why is it unique? It's because it's an overnight event where you'll be spending the night in a tent. These are large tents of up to 10 people, so if you go with a small group, expect to share with others, but throughout the night you'll be getting some spookiness going on with the Night Hag, Drag Me to Hell, Hillbilly Shack and Truth or Dare. This runs from the 16th to the 19th of October, 23rd to the 26th of October, and then 30th to the 1st of November. Now, as it's an experience for the whole night, tickets are £72. But for a very unique event like this, I think it'll be worth it if you want to do something very different. And that brings me to the end of 2025's scare events in the north of England. I hope you've enjoyed this one and found some events that you didn't know about, or just reminded you about ones you've wanted to do. So once again, please hit that like button, and for now I want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.